This is the Series 8 Apple Watch right here. And what I'm going to do is just kind of like put this little case and band on it because this thing looks awesome and it makes the watch look almost indestructible. This is a rugged double layer case. It's waterproof screen protector and it has a soft integrated band. And it came in this cool little box here. And let's just go ahead and open it up and see what you get because I did open it up and kind of look over it. So right away you see this little package here. This is your wipes and your screen protector. You can see right here, and that's what these are. There's a little series of like tools in here. Just look at the thing itself. There's really, I don't think there's anything under this. Yeah, there's nothing under it. That's actually glued down, by the way. So open it up here. It's got a very tough look to it. You can see it's like the watch and the case is all integrated into one. So let's just go ahead and open this thing up and see. Like, let's look at the instructions here. You can see the instructions. Very tiny writing. So it says you use this and just kind of like pry it open. There you go. Okay. So that goes open like that. And it looks like you're just going to peel that off right there. Get your wipes. Wipe the screen down real good right here. And then just slide our watch. And all you do is take your existing band off of the watch so you don't have to actually lock it in. Check this out, everybody. That kind of locks into place like that. And there it is. That looks like that worked right there. Just get the case and then slide the case back on. Put the notch right there on the outside. That's awesome. That has a really good feel. I have access to the buttons here. Look how I can still change all the buttons right there. I can hit the button on the right, bring up the calendars, all of that, but it still has a clean look to it. Let me go ahead and put it on. The band feels very premium too. There it is, everybody. That has a very rugged feel, and what it does, it adds a screen protector, and it adds like, and look how, wow, that's got very responsive feel to it. And it still has that stupid thing on it. So take that off. So you got a screen protector. You have access to the buttons. You can use the dial over here. Everything works just fine. And look at the responsiveness in that. Very impressive on this little watch band. I highly recommend this. Yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the 3-in-1 rugged protector for Apple Watch. This is the Series 8. Check it out. See you guys in the next video.